things also. Because of the English, my two friends from the North India, they left the college because of the English. First year itself, because in the classroom also speaking English, and also in the hostel warden is speaking also English. Whatever you have problem in, whatever, not anything, whatever. So you have to share your feelings only English. If you need, if you want to eat something, you have to say, I want to eat something. If you have any problem inside your body, you have to share your feeling. You have to say your feelings only English. That's why they say that I'm not able to speak English. I'm not able to share my feelings. How can I study there? That's why he left the college and he ran away the college from my.
Yes, same here. My friends, my two friends, they pursued engineering from the Meerut, from the UP. So they also left, first they give their, the examination for the second, first semester. Then they left their study in the mid, when come to the second semester because of the English, because the books, the syllabus, everything is in the English. So they left. That's the main problems for the non English backgrounds, the students. I mean,
Yeah,
expecting like like that they can uh, compile with the English language, so not so easy.
yeah, you're absolutely right.
Okay.
Because of
So like, and what are the difference between the North India and the South India where you are living?
lots of things. Here the temperature is too much very high compared to North India. And every day, and around the 40-degree temperature in evening time, 30-degree temperature, and also there the food also there the totally changes. There you will not find like a rice and dal like that and vegetable like that in North Indian like that. You will find here like what do you say, dosa, idli, dosa, sambar like that. Totally different food, and the culture also, dressing sense also different. They're the wearing of the dress dhoti and short like that, dhoti and kurta short like that, and also the speaking also in the hair language also totally changed. Living
Yeah,
life also here changed. Everything
accent,
changed.
accent is also
Climate
it.
also changed.
Hmm.
Climate also changed. Or 365 days, whole day like totally fully sunny. A very few days coming raining days. Otherwise, it's sunny.
Have you faced any discriminations based on your state, like you are from North
Yeah,
India?
I face sometimes, not all times. If you are Hindi medium, they feel like that you don't know that language. They say that you don't know that language. They're like a friendship, and the teacher always prepare. Sometimes, not all times. Some teacher, not all teachers, they're giving the more priority for our students. Uh, like
Hmm.
those students are coming from the local states like Tamil Nadu and other states like that. But if you talk about North Indian people, yeah, foreigner people, they don't know that language. Sometimes they are not aware this is our language. We are giving the equal opportunity for everyone. Not. I feel like that. I given one speech competition. I don't know that day. I spoke very much. Everyone expect that. My senior also expect that. You will speak very good, very good way. You will get first prize. I think. One girl also speak there. She's from Tamil Nadu, and while they're speaking, they stop that thing, stop the voice, and they leave it. That okay, that's okay. But I continue 5 years, 7 minutes like that. But continue there 2 years, 3 minutes like that. Everyone expect that. My senior, my junior also, she will get first prize. Definitely will get 1,000 rupees also and get first prize. But while the coming the result, I'm not first prize, not third prize, not any second prize. She has given to first prize and second prize like that. And then everyone saw this is a very bad thing. This is a now I feel like the discrimination like that. So everyone not not to me anything telling to me, but someone telling that see that guy's given a lot a very good speech and this prize given to another girls. I don't know he is from only North India. That's why I think. Then I thought, but after that, that girl come to me, Raju. I know that, so I'm not capable for take that prize. So I don't know why sir given to me. So you have given more than to me is very good. So you should take that prize. I'm going, no, 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 it's your prize. How can I take that? If I take you someone, what is all the, he has taken first prize. Now he has taken him from him, from her. So no, no, can I keep it? Her girl is very honest. That's why she has given to me. And after that, they say like that. But teacher, I think that teacher did very discrimination to me and to her. Everyone know that. This, he did like the wrong things to me, like that. So I face
It's
like
not
that, but not.
it's not
I
so
given
cool.
the, yeah, it's not so cool. I given to also. I'm proud of that girl. She has to come to me, and after they say like that, Raju, I'm not capable to take that prize. You are the that person who can capable that prize, because I stuck that 2 minutes and I did not complete even my speech what I have to speak. But you have completed very good way, and you have given a very brief introduction and everything. But why not this given to you? I don't know the reason that. So you should take like that. And say, no, 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 please, sorry, don't give to me. That things happen. Yeah, that girl is very good. That girl is she is very honest.
Okay,
Yeah.
good to know that. Anything else would you like to add into this conversation?
What I have to say to you
Anything, whatever you want to add here.
right now, where are you living? Which
I'm
place?
in my room. I'm in my room. I'm living in city.
Where? Which place? City
It's
name?
a Rampur district.
Rampur
Hmm.
in Bihar,
No, UP.
UP. Okay. So you are doing job. Yeah, you are right now. You are also doing study only. Yeah, you are doing job only.
No, studying only.
Study only.
Hmm.
What's your future plan?
Prepping for the competitive examinations. Getting government job is the primary and the paramount, objective for me.
Why do you think is getting for government only job? Why not private?
It's a very safe and secure. We don't have too much worried about, losing our job, because in the private sector we don't have guarantee, safe and security of our jobs.
Why do
You
you
just
think
said.
that? Why do you think like that in private sector is not as safe and secure? If I have a skill, no one can kick
No,
out the company.
it is very right to just preach, but in the actuality it's actually doesn't work. And just see that how the people lost their job during the COVID-19. So many companies throw out, lay off hundreds and thousands of the youth.
Do you know? Yeah, but that do you know one thing now? The people they are searching the very good skilled people. If you have any field very skilled, if you are skilled, people the company are asking that find that people, ask that people and come to give the interview. Don't need to go you. They are always finding you, but here very
Okay,
few people are very skilled.
okay.
That's why the reason that's yeah.
Let me give an example. Just I'm giving an example. Few day back I watched a video, and in news I just read a news. There was a one girl. She got the married with a one boy. So he was working in a company, and the boy had the salary more than 1 lakh per month. But the girl refused to get the married, with that boy. She said that he just want to marry with the boy who has the government job. So you can
But
understand how, just look at the craze of the government job. I'm just giving an example that how the girls, and not just girls, are everywhere. There is a huge craze for having the government job.
yeah,
So
it's huge race, but is taking doing marriage is our main goal. Yeah, another goal.
I'm just giving an example to you. It's not, of course it is the
But do you
second.
know one thing? I saw so many people. If I get government job, I will get good girl, and in my future I will do marriage with her after getting my job. But it's not. If you are become a millionaire, billionaire, but who girl not like to do marriage? Can you tell me?
I don't think
Every
so.
girl, every girl like you, like to marriage with you. Why? You don't have the problem in money. You have everything. That thing you will provide lots of job.
Hmm.
You are not
They,
job taker. You are a job giver.
it's a very much true. The girls are very much, logging very much hunger, having the hunger for, having the too much money. It's true, but somewhere I think I just think about the safety of myself when I have the job. So I
Yeah,
have the safety.
yeah, yeah. It's safe in a lower background family. If I get any government job, yeah, any other job also, some we are stable, but
Right,
otherwise we are not stable.
right.
That's why the reason that we are going for the government job. Me too. Also, we sometimes we also want to. We have to sometimes stable. After that, we will jump some another where.
Correct, correct.
Yeah, that's a good thing. That's okay.
Right.
So, what are your hobbies?
Reading books, diary writing, practicing yoga. These are my, very good hobbies.
Oh, that's really good.
Hmm.
So, which types of girls do you want to do marriage in your life? Like simple, advanced, and like social media girls? Yeah, normal. Which types of?
I think she should be honest, loyal, you know, and very straightforward. It should not be that I'm saying something, so she just saying yes, yes. She should, I mean, no, she can questions over me. That is something which I believe. We should have the life partner. Like if we are committing any mistake,
Uh,
so she has the right and she has the courage to speak out that you are, committing the mistake and it's your the mistake, something like that.
that's fun.
And and, and what about
You
you?
will get. Yeah, me too. Also, like I want for just simple girl. No need to advance. No need to anything. Whatever I'm saying to just listen to me and do work. That's simple. Very
But she
simple.
should be YouTuber for me.
Not like that. Not like that. No one, not like that. Should be like intelligent, and she has a lots of mind. They can use implement that mind. That's simple. No one need to any advance.
No,
Just listen to
I
me and my
believe
family.
that my life partner should be YouTuber.
Oh my God. Yeah, you will get definitely in future.
We
If yeah, you will
we
get
can
definitely. I
collaborate.
hope you will get it.
We can collaborate.
Yeah, you can collaborate
Right.
her, and again you can start her YouTube channel,
Mm-hmm.
second YouTube channel, third YouTube channel.
Yes, I do hope we'll meet soon. I mean, for having that.
Okay, bro. Yeah,
Right.
that's good. Do you have any other question? Yeah, yeah. Should
No,
will we
actually,
wrap up?
I guess I had the YouTube channel, very well. That was deleted. So nowadays I'm not feeling so well
Why?
because my channel has been lost. It was deleted.
For what reason? For what reason?
Don't know the reasons.
Lost.
Just
When? When did it happen?
last month, in the 7th Feb, on the 7th Feb.
Automatically lost. Lost. There is no any reason.
I don't know the reasons.
My God. So now you
Yes.
again started YouTube channel.
Yes, I have created just 2 weeks ago.
Oh, so no, don't worry, bro. If someone has taken your YouTube, don't worry. You have the knowledge. You can start again.
Right.
I
Right.
have a skill. I have a knowledge. I can start again, and after that, I will improve myself. What things I did mistake this time, I will not do mistake.
Hmm. Yes, I
But
think
do you want?
every
Yeah, do
mistake
you
teaches
first you
something.
have to take phone is very good. Otherwise, if your phone is not good, someone take your data. After that, that's why the reason that your phone your data leak. That's why the people that hack your data and you do other things also. So if
Hmm.
your phone is very good, no one do any like these things.
Right. True. Okay, send me. Yes, you send me your one picture. Very nice, very handsome picture.
Okay, definitely. I will also upload that video because I have not uploaded any video.
Yes, we both can upload. We both can upload. We'll make
Okay,
very
okay,
good thumbnail. Bye.
okay.
Bye.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Thank
Nice
you.
to meet you.